Ever wondered how MrBeast's thumbnails grab millions of views and clicks? Well, what if I told you that creating thumbnails just like his could be easier than you think? And you can do it using the power of AI. First, head over to Google and search for Ideogram. Click on the official website. If it asks you to sign up, go ahead and create an account. If you're already signed up, just continue. Once you're in, you'll see a plus icon. Click on that to start a new project. This will take you to the prompt section where you can enter your request. To make things easier, I'll use ChatGPT to help generate a prompt for a MrBeast-style thumbnail. I'll ask ChatGPT, give me a prompt for a thumbnail like MrBeast, and it'll provide me with the text I need. I'll copy the prompt provided and paste it into Ideogram's prompt box. Now, just hit Create. In under 30 seconds, your thumbnail will be ready. Boom! Your MrBeast-style thumbnail is done. Want even better results? Try refining your prompts for more customized designs. The more specific you get, the better the thumbnail will turn out.